Want to make these super cute Valentine's cards? I'm going to show you how. First off, all you need is yourself or whoever the card's going to be of, and then a 3x4 PVC pipe. I got this at Lowe's. Anyways, and then two things. Do not put it with the writing facing towards camera. Always do it with the white. And then also don't put the stick in front of your face. Okay, now it's time to be creative and do whatever poses you want. Just remember, wherever you put the stick is where the sucker is going to be. Now it's time to head to the store to pick out our candy. So I say just be mindful of whatever sucker size you get because you don't want them to cover your face. So I just made some simple cards on my phone and printed them out at Staples. So I picked those up and now I'm home and let's cut our little cards. And here they are. Okay, so now it's time to add the suckers. So basically, wherever the PVC pipe is where the sucker is going to be. We're just going to make a tiny little slip by bending the paper and cutting at the very top of where the PVC pipe is in the picture, because that is where the sucker is going to go. You're just going to slide it in the top. I only make the slit big enough for the sucker. You don't want it sliding around. And then I use a piece of packaging tape because it's nice and big. Put it on the back for support. And there you go. Look at how cute these turned out. Let me show you guys the other poses I did. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Happy Valentine's Day.